Morning.
Good morning.
Have a nice one. You
You guys
too.
too.
It is. Next time we come back here, we'll go down the water.
It's shallow enough. You can just go stomp around. Just wear your cheapy tennis shoes. Man.
Yeah. Look, see, there's a nice pathway.
Oh, I'm sure the cat the entire life.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to see. Because that way it's not so steep. And there's lots of small trees that I can hold on to. Super nice here. Very quiet. There's my darling. Wait for me there. The nice water. Nakapaa. Hindi ako nakapagdala ng right sleepers. Ang ganda dito. I super love it. Kuya F, mega love shoutout. Ayan, nandito na naman si Mrs. G. Nag-nature tripping. Minsan maganda palang makapaa. Yung chinilas ko na iwan sa sasakyan. Nakapaa. Kaya akong sanilas na heels. Oh my goodness, we can go back here any time of the week. Any day of the week. It's so nice. Who's tamsak alatu? Galing ako mag... Thank you! Thank you, Milans TV! Oh, ang lamig na ng paa ko. I'm almost done. Ayan, thank you, lovelies. Tayo mag-end na. This is just a short live. Thank you, Kuya F. Thank you, Milan, Stevie.